Hey guys, WeatherWheelHVAC here. I'm making a quick video on both of my Rheems since tomorrow they're being serviced. So I don't know if well, I assume downstairs one over here is probably gonna make out of it just fine. But upstairs one, I have no clue if it's gonna make out of it alive. I have no clue because of how weird it's been acting. So here's this one. This is the 2017 one. Data tag. 2016 2.5 ton. I mean 2017 2.5 ton. Nice and cold. All over here, this thing is doing its typical loud fan motor, loud compressor, not even remotely cold thing. 2016 2-ton. Got your typical disconnects, you know. But yeah, there they are. Alright guys, rare video. We're up in the attic just to make sure everything's clear for the installer tomorrow. And guess what I found down here? I think we found the source of the leak, possibly. It might be this joint right here. This is all oily. I don't know if this is for sure. I'm not a tech, so I wouldn't know. However, that's oil. Yeah, I have oil on my hands from that. That might be our source of the leak. Don't know for sure, but that sure does seem suspicious that there would be oil down there. I don't see any reason why there would be oil there, so I guess we'll see if it's fixable tomorrow, I guess. Meanwhile, we got my Gibson chilling up here, and over here we got the air temp running. Yeah, typical. Oh, yep, that's about it.